Note that only options relevant to your motorcycle model will be shown by GS911. Consult the GS911 function chart at this URL for all options relevant to your motorcycle. Note that unless GS911 specifies otherwise, the engine must not be running and the ignition switch must be on during all output tests. The body controller's coding function section contains options to set dependent functions that relate to the automatic cancellation behavior of the motorcycle's direction indicators. Note that available options may differ depending on the motorcycle model. Click Body Controller. Click Service Functions. Click Coding Functions. Click Indicator Cancellation. Depending on motorcycle model, you may have the option of choosing between comfort and normal indicator cancellation. If the indicators are set to comfort mode, their cancellation behavior is dependent on factory presets. When activated, the indicators will self-cancel after 50 meters of travel if vehicle speed is below 30 kilometers per hour. They will be speed dependent at between 30 and 100 kilometers per hour, and after 5 flashes at 100 kilometers per hour and above. Accelerating from steady speeds at between 30 and 100 kilometers per hour also cancels the indicators. Activating the direction indicators with a long press of the indicator switch overrides comfort indicator mode. In this case, the indicators will not self-cancel and must be cancelled manually. Clicking Enabled enables comfort indicator mode. Clicking Disabled routes you to a follow-up menu in which you will manually configure your own indicator cancellation preferences. The value entered in this field determines the length of the left and right long presses needed to override automatic indicator cancellation. The value is expressed in thousandths of a second, so here, the indicator switch would need to be held left or right for just over half a second to override automatic cancellation. Click Continue. If comfort indicator mode was disabled, a follow-up menu will be shown. Activate or deactivate time-based indicator cancellation using these radio buttons. If time-based cancellation is enabled, specify the time in seconds from activation to automatic cancellation of the indicators. Activate or deactivate distance-based indicator cancellation using these radio buttons. If distance-based cancellation is enabled, specify the distance in meters from activation to automatic cancellation of the indicators. To program your settings, click Continue.